How to find videos searched on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you your history of videos searched on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. And now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now all you need to do is scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Click on see your time and now click on see activity log. Now all you need to do is scroll over this list and you're gonna find videos watched, search watched. You're gonna find videos searched. Click on it and they're gonna show you your activity history on this video you have searched for. They're gonna give you all the videos you have ever searched for in this list. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.